What's up guys, my name is Brendan and today I want to teach you the cart full double leg. I think there are two important prerequisites before learning this trick. You need to be able to do the cart full and you need to be able to do the double leg kick. The full D leg starts like a cart full but it ends just like a double leg. So those two prerequisites are super important before learning this trick. First, I want to walk you guys through the technique behind the cart full double leg. When performing your cartwheel, focus on your speed, trying to go as fast as possible. And then when you exit your cartwheel, try and push off the ground as hard as you can with your arms and your shoulders to get your chest up, ready to set. The set for the cart full double leg is the same as the set for the cart full. So make sure you're focusing on going from that arched body to a hollow body position and getting your arms from right to left as you jump off the ground, trying to get as much height as possible. Once we leave the ground, we're going to move into our double leg position. Now the head and chest do the same that they normally would for a cart full. Look towards your twisting side and pull towards your twisting shoulder. Now the core and the lower body need to do something very different. Your core needs to tense as you pike your body in and you squeeze your legs together, getting into the perfect double leg position, bending at the hips and getting your chest up. Hold that position until you spot your landing, and when you do, open up at the hips and get your legs ready to land. The cart full double leg will land just like the double leg. That's why it's so important that you have that prerequisite, so that way you're ready to land when you learn this trick. Once you feel very comfortable with your cart full double leg, you can combine it with other variations that you can do. If you can do a cart full hyper hook and a good cart full D leg, you might be able to do a cart full D leg hyper hook. Or if you can do a good double full and you have a strong cart full D leg, you might be able to learn a cart full D leg twist. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's all I have for the cart full double leg. And I want to say a huge thank you to all the patrons who have been supporting the Mastering series. It means the world to me that you guys are donating towards everybody else getting these tutorials for free, so that way everybody can get better together. I want to say a huge thank you as well to everybody who has bought some of the ice collection or who is buying the Tricking collection before it goes. If you guys didn't know, once the ice collection gets ordered, I'm going to get rid of the Tricking collection. So if you want any of that, this is your last chance. If you want to save a little bit of money, use promo code MASTER to save 10% because it means the world to me that you guys are out there learning and getting better at these tricks. So I want you guys to save a little bit of money. Thank you guys again and have a lovely day.